Namaste and welcome back to my channel once again. So friends, again today I have come up with a new video, and today it's all about sunscreen, the 3 sunscreens which I use in my daily life. So I just wanted to share you the review of these 3 sunscreens which I use in my daily life. So as you all know that the summers are in, and it is already in actually. So sunscreens are a must for your skin, as it protects your skin from UVA rays and B rays, that is the aging and the burning rays. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So friends, before sharing the review of my 3 sunscreens, I just want you to see that sunscreen is very important for your skin. You should apply sunscreen when you are inside your house as well, because it helps to prevent your skin from UVA rays, that is the aging rays. So yeah, you have to apply sunscreen when you are inside your house as well, and during the winters also sunscreen is a must for your skin if you want to avoid your skin from tanning and pigmentation. And another important thing you should keep in your mind is when you are going outside, before 20 minutes you have to apply sunscreen to your skin. Okay, so that is a must. So yeah, let's get started. So the first sunscreen which I use, and which is one of my favorite sunscreen, is the VLCC anti-tan sunscreen lotion with SPF 25 and PA+. So whenever you buy your sunscreen, you have to look for PA+, PA++, PA++, but this is with PA+, and it is with lemon. And the most important thing in the sunscreen, it is paraben free. So whenever I use any products, I see that it is free from any paraben, and it is not loaded with chemicals, because it is not good for your skin. So what paraben does is, paraben is a compound used in your beauty products nowadays in order to increase the shelf life of a product. But using paraben in your beauty products is not good, because it disrupts your hormone function by mimicking your estrogen level. So pregnant ladies, it's a big no to paraben. So this lotion, it consists, why it is my favorite is it consists of lemon. As you all know that lemon is loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C, I don't have to talk also that how good vitamin C is for your skin. It helps it helps to boost your collagen level in your skin, and it acts as an antioxidant to your skin. So iti राम्रो हुन्छ vitamin C. So I think that you should not only apply vitamin C or lemon to your skin, but eating lemon regularly in your diet also helps to brighten your skin. Lemon is so good for your skin. Okay, so this VLCC product is 150 ml, okay, and it costs you around 275 rupees. So yeah, it's a good one, and this is so good that I have been using this product since 2 years, and I have recommended this product to almost my friends, my family members, my sister-in-law, and yes, even my husband, she uses this product nowadays. So this is so good. So that is why I recommend this product, that is VLCC anti-tan sunscreen lotion to you all. So the lotion is in this way, the consistency is in this way, and when you use on your skin, it melts like butter. You don't have to do anything, and it does not leave any white cast on your skin, and it smells amazing, my friends. It smells amazing, and it is not loaded with any chemicals. So it smells very good, and it seeps into your skin like magic, and it is non-greasy and non-sticky. So this is my first product, VLCC anti-tan sunscreen lotion. Now the second sunscreen which I use nowadays is, I'm all in love with this product as well. This is Aroma Magic Blossom Kocha Aroma Magic Cucumber sunscreen lotion, and it also has broad spectrum UVA and UVB. It protects from both the rays, and it is SPF 30, and as it says, it has all natural elements, and it also says that it is free. It is 100%. I don't know whether it is visible to you people or not, but it says that it is free, 100% free of oxybenzone, and it is free from paraben again. So that means it has all the natural elements, and as you all know that it contains cucumber, and how is cucumber. It is very, when you apply cucumber juice to your skin, how you feel very refreshed. It's so soothing whenever your skin is burning and you just apply a slice of cucumber on your skin, then how soothing and refreshed you feel. I don't have to talk about cucumber. So it is loaded with cucumber extract, so this is very good for your skin, and this product is for normal to sensitive skin. And yeah, the lotion is this way. Again, the consistency is this way, and again the same thing with this lotion as well. It has a very mild fragrance. Whatever the 3 sunscreens, whichever I use, it does not have any strong fragrance, okay, which will irritate you. As this 3 sunscreens, all of these 3 sunscreens are made from natural ingredients, so it has very mild fragrance, and it is also non-sticky, and it absorbs in your skin so fast, and it does not leave any white cast on your skin. So this is 100 ml, and this is for rupees 310 rupees. So this is my second favorite sunscreen, that is from Aroma Magic. And friends, I will give the link of my products in the description box, so if you want to get anyone for yourself, then you can just go to my description box. Lakati janaलाई चाहिँ थाहा छैन फेरि the description box, र जहाँ मेरो भिडियो चाहिँ यतापट्टि राइटमा एउटा बटन हुन्छ, त्यो बटनलाई थिच्नु भयो भने त्यहाँ तलनिर I have given the link of all my products whichever I have used in this video. So yeah, this is the second sunscreen lotion, and the third one is my Sun Protect lotion. Okay, Sun Protect sunscreen lotion. And as these 2, the VLCC and the Aroma Magic product, these are the drugstore product, but this third one, this was recommended to me by my doctor. So this I don't think that you will get in any cosmetics shop. In medical shops you will get it, and it is with SPF 26, and it also has broad spectrum that protects you from UVA and UVB rays. And the most good thing about this product is it says it is non-comedogenic. So non-comedogenic means those who have oily skin and who tends to get breakouts in the skin, they have acne prone skin, then they should use non-comedogenic skincare products, because what these products do is it does not block your pores, it does not block your pores, and it will not lead to any acne. So that means non-comedogenic products, if you apply on your skin, they will not block your pores, and it will have less chances of breakouts. So yeah, this is very good for oily skins who are prone to acne. So you can use this product, give it a try. That is the Sun Protect lotion with SPF 26, but the price, it's on a higher side than these 2 products. I think I have lost the packet, but this is 100 ml product, and this will cost you around 650 to 670 rupees. So it's on a bit higher side, but the result is very good. It is non-sticky, but it leaves a bit of white cast, but no need to worry. After rubbing it on your skin, it will go away, and again the fragrance, it's so soothing. You won't feel that you have applied anything on your skin. All the 3 sunscreens, it feels so light on your skin. So yeah, this was my 3 sunscreens which I use nowadays. Hope you liked my today's video. If you liked my today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and show your love towards my channel. So till next time, it's bye bye, take care, love yourself, take care of your skin, and namaste.